$1,000 worth of credit card that you can get with soft credit pull pre-qualification, and if you have bad credit then you can still get this credit card. Well, this is indeed one of the biggest opportunity of current time, especially in this inflation. So if you are looking to get a credit card, then this is the video that you've been waiting for. And remember that we are going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button right now and click on the bell icon to watch that video whenever we upload it, and please smash that like button as it really helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So without any further ado, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So the opportunity is here that you all have been waiting for, and this time is from Reflex. Yes, you can get a credit card of $1,000 very easily if you have bad or worst credit. Remember that you can double your credit limit as well, and we are going to give you complete details about this very important credit card in this very important video. So please make sure you watch this video till the end without missing any part at all. So first, let's review the credit card, and then we will go to the application of this credit card and tell you how you can apply it with this step-by-step guide. Remember that Reflex says that enjoy the buying power of the Reflex MasterCard. You can get the initial credit limit up to $1,000, double up to $2,000, MasterCard zero liability protection, monthly reporting to the 3 major credit bureaus, and free monthly credit score available on electronic statement. Remember, they have excellent reviews on Trustpilot. Well, remember that they said that highly rated financial services company, and it is from Continental Finance, so please make sure you know about it. As we already mentioned, that initial credit limit ranges from $300 to $1,000. Remember that Reflex MasterCard with an initial credit limit that ranges from $300 to $1,000. Remember, this is a beginner's card, and this is a card especially for those people who have bad or worse credit, and the people who in general sense wouldn't be able to get a credit card. Right here you can get it. Remember that yes, the $300 credit limit or up to $1,000 credit limit, it doesn't matter what credit limit you can get, but you can build your credit score with this credit card, and this is indeed a very big opportunity for you. You can double your credit limit. How you can do that? When trying to build your credit, getting a credit limit increase is a milestone achieved with Reflex MasterCard. Your initial credit limit will double. Simply make the first 6 minimum payments on time, and then they will automatically double your credit limits. Congratulations with that. Well, enjoy a peace of mind with MasterCard zero liability protection. As mentioned earlier in the previous videos that MasterCard has a lot of possibilities when it comes to getting one. Remember that you can get cell phone insurance and so many perks. So yeah, if you want to know about that, you can always Google it, and if you want us to make a video on that, we will definitely make it. Monthly reporting to all major credit bureaus. Remember, when it comes to the credit bureaus, if you're in the process of building your credit or improving your credit, so this is indeed a very big game changer right here, as they report to all 3 major credit bureaus, and that's how you will be able to improve your credit score. Free monthly credit score. Of course, you can see that how your credit score is going. You don't have to pay any other service like Experian or anything. They show you your monthly credit score. So let's get into the details that how you can apply for this credit card, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's click. So when you click on it, this form will open. Let me just zoom in right here so you'll be able to see. Oh, it's zoomed a lot. Alright, so you'll be able to see what's going on right here. They say double your credit limit with Reflex. See if you pre-qualify. Remember that you can get up to $1,000 limit doubles after you make 6 payments. You're going to get $2,000. It takes less than a minute. Review your credit offer and apply. Simply make your first 6 payments, and then your credit limit will be doubled. Remember, this is the form that you need to fill, and when you fill the form, of course they will do a soft pull. Remember that soft pull is not the hard pull. It's not going to affect your credit score. It's simply that you can say that there is no credit check at all, because it will not affect your credit score in any way. Let me zoom out and see what you need to put right here. First name, middle name, last name, suffix, home address, address, city, state, zip code, email address, social security number, your total monthly income, your primary source of income, your phone number, your secondary phone number, your date of birth, and of course you're over 18. Pre-qualification, of course, because they will not going to give you credit card. What they're gonna do, they're gonna give you a decision that either you're allowed or either you're eligible to apply for this card, and they will give you an offer. Hey, you are pre-qualified for this card, you can definitely go further. And if you click on it, then they will do the hard pull. Remember that there will be a hard pull. They have an annual fee, as of course it's a beginner's card. It will improve your credit. It ranges from $75 to $99, so make sure there's no hidden fee, no other thing like that, so make sure you keep this in mind. Then you click on I'm not a robot and see my card offers. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below, and we will be happy to answer each and every question of yours. Thank you so much for all of your love and support. We will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.